Looking for the best drone in 2026? Whether you want stunning aerial shots, smooth 4K or even 8K video, or just a beginner-friendly drone to get started, choosing the right one can be confusing. In this video, we've ranked the top 5 best drones you can buy right now, from premium performance to budget-friendly options. We'll cover features, real-world performance, pros and cons, and who each drone is best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's start with the best drone on the list. Number 1, Antigravity A1 8K 360 drone. We have the Antigravity A1 8K 360 drone, a feature-packed premium drone that comes with a full bundle of accessories. This drone stands out because of its 360-degree 8K camera, allowing you to capture immersive footage that you can reframe later. That's a huge advantage for content creators. It weighs under 249 grams, which means it avoids many registration requirements in different countries. The AI tracking and obstacle avoidance system make flying much safer and easier, especially for beginners. You also get up to 10 kilometers of transmission range, which is impressive for a drone in this category. Pros: 8K 360-degree camera for unique footage, strong AI tracking and obstacle avoidance, long transmission range, lightweight and portable, comes with full accessory bundle. If you want the most advanced drone with creative shooting possibilities, this is the best overall choice in 2026. Number 2, Potensic Atom 2. This drone is a strong competitor in the mid to premium segment. It features a 3-axis gimbal, which helps stabilize your footage for smooth, professional-looking videos. One standout feature is vertical shooting, which is perfect for social media content like TikTok and Instagram. It also includes AI tracking and even an AI night shot mode, which improves low-light performance. With up to 32 minutes of flight time and 10 kilometers transmission, it offers excellent performance for its size. Pros: 4K video with stabilized gimbal, 8K photo support, vertical shooting for social media, AI tracking and night mode, lightweight and portable. A great choice for content creators who want high-quality footage in a compact and affordable package. Number 3, Bwine F7 GB2 Pro. This drone offers 4K UHD video with a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring stable footage during flight. One of its biggest advantages is battery life. With 3 batteries included, you can get up to 75 minutes of total flight time, which is excellent. It also includes GPS features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flying, and Orbit Mode, making it easier to capture cinematic shots. The control range of up to 10,000 feet gives you plenty of flexibility when flying. Pros: long total flight time with multiple batteries, stable 4K video, GPS intelligent flight modes, beginner-friendly controls. A great all-around drone for users who want longer flight time and reliable performance. Number 4, Potensic Atom SE GPS drone. This drone offers 4K video with electronic image stabilization, which helps reduce shake in your footage. It's very lightweight, under 249 grams, making it easy to carry and beginner-friendly. You also get useful features like auto return, GPS positioning, and a decent 4-kilometer transmission range. With a total flight time of up to 62 minutes using multiple batteries, it performs well for its price. Pros: lightweight and portable, easy to use for beginners, good flight time, GPS safety features. A solid beginner drone that offers great value and ease of use. Number 5, Ruko U11 Mini 4K. This drone includes a 3-axis gimbal for smoother video and supports 4K recording. One unique feature is its touchscreen controller, which makes controlling the drone more intuitive. It also offers a long transmission range and up to 64 minutes of flight time with included batteries. However, while it advertises 8K, that typically refers to photo resolution, not video. Pros: easy-to-use touchscreen controller, good flight time, stable 4K video with gimbal, beginner-friendly design. A great entry-level drone with some premium features, ideal for beginners stepping up. If you want the most advanced drone with creative features, go for the Antigravity A1. For content creators, the Potensic Atom 2 is a perfect balance of power and portability. If battery life matters most, the Bwine F7 GB2 Pro is a strong choice. For beginners, the Potensic Atom SE is simple and reliable. And if you want a budget drone with premium touches, the Ruko U11 Mini is worth considering. Check the links in the description to get the best deals on these drones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.